Good morning, everybody. It is 1:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, February 15th, 2026. So this is an M to X class solar flare calculation warning video, and it is from Comet Iniki, and this will be starting December 31st, 2026 at approximately 2100 UTC. So from, let's say, right here, hold on. Yeah, December 31st all the way until January 26th, 2027 will be M to X class M class solar flare. Towards the end of January, the M class solar flares will increase in strength. So that is January 25th, the X class solar flares will pick up and will last all the way until February the 2nd of February. So this will be all the way up until, we'll have M and X class solar flares all the way up until February 27th, 2027 in the morning. February 28th, early in the morning, 12 a.m. So the M class solar flares will start to decrease in magnitude starting the 28th of February, 2027. Now that's long into next year. But yeah, we just had those M class solar flares from 14P MACHOLZ. I want to thank you guys for being patient with the no audio problem. I have to get to the phone store and do some small repairs, get some small repairs done to the power button. My power button is not working on my other phone. And my other phone has the Asteroid alert application on it, so that's unfortunate. But anyway, we just got strong M and X class solar flares from 141P MACHOLZ. But if you could, smash that like button, share this video with friends, family, and coworkers. Don't forget to tap that notification bell and switch it to all so you get all the notifications of the channel. Before Iniki causes strong M and X class solar flares in 2027, it will be causing high magnitude earthquakes for Earth on December 17th, 2026. Before it starts causing the M and X class solar flares in the second and third week of January 20th. 2027 at 3 a.m. We'll have an M to X class solar flare January 21st and 20th, 2027 at 20 UTC. All right, right, so in 2030, you guys, I'm also calculating for M to X class solar flares will begin April 21st, 2030 at 7 UTC. And they will intensify. The M-class solar flares will intensify into X-class solar flares starting May 12th and 13th, 2030. We'll have a very strong X-class solar flare that summer. Anyway, Iniki will be causing high magnitude earthquakes for Earth in the southern hemisphere. So we will keep an eye out for 7.0s, 5 to 7.0s 2030. So this includes Africa, Indonesia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, South America, Chile, Peru will all be on high magnitude earthquake warning for 2030. Now I know this is years away, but I figure we should start preparing for 5s and 7s now. Yeah, this will definitely be affecting the southern hemisphere seismically. Come June 8th, 2030, it will start affecting Earth the 1st of June. So like the end of May 2030. So this is what the hype is on the internet, for the most part, is all these comets. So anyway, Iniki will be affecting us at its highest magnitude later in the month of June, the 30th of June 2030 at approximately 5 UTC. So expect to see very high magnitude earthquakes that day. 7.0 plus. I'm expecting tsunamis and explosive volcanic eruptions in the southern hemisphere countries in 2030 from Comet and Iki. At least we have this app. We can go into the future until I get the our asteroid alert program up back and running. I have to get the my device to a phone repair shop. So if you could, the donations will be in the link in the description of this video. The links will be at the top of the description. I'm gonna need some help raising money for that. But yeah, I did upload some no sound, no audio videos that go 100 years in. All you have to do is pause the video at my screenshot time, and you can write down the calculations for those years from that video. But there's no audio. I've been uploading a lot of no audio videos. That's alright though. As long as I get all the warnings and calculations up on the title and in the description of the video, we'll be okay. But yeah, it's been a long 4 years since 2020. My first upload was 2020, and I started streaming back in September 11th, 2021, when we had the La Cumbre Vieja 90-day consecutive eruption. If you guys are new, welcome aboard. If you guys have been with me for 4 to 5 years, thank you for still being here and supporting the channel. I will be seeing you guys on the next update. We'll be going through the seismic activity feed and putting some volcanoes on future alert for the entirety of the planet. So I will see you guys on the next video. We're going to do a no sound video after this. But Aniki this fall will actually be causing some high magnitude earthquakes starting November 21st, November 18th rather. We'll definitely see the seismograph indicating the signal, indicating magnitude from Aniki rather, in 2026. So this fall, expecting to see 5s and 7s. This will be affecting the northern hemisphere, especially Iceland. So from November all the way until Christmas of 2026 this year. And then we'll be having to deal with the M and X class. So we have a Earth-facing strong high magnitude M to X class solar flare calculation for January 21st, 2027. So that will also be giving us high magnitude earthquakes later in January of 2027 as well. But I'll see you guys on the next update. Later, guys.